Why do so many retirees with large portfolios quietly shift a portion of their nest egg into gold IRAs? Well, let me tell you about Steve and Linda from Scottsdale, Arizona. They're both retired teachers. After a lifetime of saving and investing, their combined retirement portfolio had grown to just over $1.2 million. But last year, they made a move that surprised even their financial advisor. They rolled over exactly $485,650 into a gold IRA. And here's the thing, they didn't do it because they're gold bugs or prepping for doomsday. They did it because of what they saw coming. According to recent headlines from Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal, inflation isn't going away anytime soon. In fact, core inflation remains sticky, and the Fed's mixed messaging about rate cuts is causing whiplash across the market. On top of that, the national debt has now surged past $34 trillion. That's trillion with a T. Every serious investor knows what this kind of debt spiral eventually leads to: currency devaluation, higher taxes, and deep market volatility. Now, Steve and Linda were already diversified. They had stocks, mutual funds, even a small real estate rental. But what they didn't have was true protection from systemic risk. Not until they opened that gold IRA. You might be wondering, why gold? Why now? And why does it make even more sense when your portfolio is large? Because the bigger your portfolio, the more you stand to lose when markets drop. When you've spent 30 or 40 years building your retirement, it only takes one market crash or currency crisis to wipe out decades of work. That's why high net worth retirees across the country are looking at physical gold inside an IRA. It's not just an investment, it's insurance. And unlike paper assets, gold has never gone to zero, ever. Gold IRAs let you roll over part of your 401k or IRA, tax and penalty free, into a self-directed account that holds real physical gold, not paper gold, not a gold ETF. The actual bars, stored in IRS-approved vaults. Steve and Linda started this journey by doing exactly what I'm going to invite you to do right now. They requested their free gold IRA guide. No obligation, no pressure. Just straight educational facts from real people who treat you like a person, not a prospect. And after reading it, they booked a short, one-on-one call with an expert. That's when they realized, we don't need to go all in on gold. We just need to protect what we've built. That's why they moved just under $500,000. Not because they were afraid, but because they were smart. So here's the bottom line. If you're retired or close to it, and you've got $100,000 or more saved in an IRA or 401k, this isn't just something to consider. It's something to act on. Get your free gold IRA guide today and schedule your free call. There's no hard pitch, no gimmicks, no free silver traps, just facts, just education. You worked hard to build your retirement. Let's make sure it's still there when you need it, and maybe even when your grandkids do too. Start with the free guide. That's where Steve and Linda started. That's where your peace of mind begins.